When it comes to choosing the best email marketing software for transactional emails, you've probably come across Sendinblue and Moosend. But which one is truly better for your needs? Today, we'll break down their features, performance, and why you might want to keep watching until the end for a better alternative. First off, Sendinblue is widely known for its all-in-one marketing automation platform. It's often praised for its transactional email service, which lets you send order confirmations, password resets, and other essential emails seamlessly. Sendinblue's API is one of the strongest points here, providing you with full control over your transactional emails. But while it's easy to use and reliable for basic needs, it can become a bit slow with higher volumes, especially when you're sending thousands of emails. Next thing to consider is Moosend. It's a solid player for email marketing with an emphasis on transactional emails. Moosend's interface is user-friendly, and the setup process for transactional emails is simple. They also offer an API, but what stands out is Moosend's email deliverability. However, when you dig deeper, you'll find that it lacks some advanced features Sendinblue provides, like multi-step workflows and more robust reporting. Now, the third thing we need to address is pricing. Sendinblue has a competitive pricing model, especially for users who are starting out. Their free plan includes 300 emails a day, which can be appealing for small businesses. However, once you start scaling up, Sendinblue's costs can quickly climb. On the other hand, Moosend offers a more affordable pricing structure, especially if you have a bigger list. For those who want to scale with fewer restrictions, Moosend might seem like a better choice initially. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the customer support of both platforms. Sendinblue's support has generally been well received, but some users report slower response times, particularly when dealing with complex issues. Moosend is better in this area, with quicker response times and more hands-on support. For transactional emails, where timing is critical, having support that can resolve issues fast is a huge advantage. But let's not sugarcoat everything. Despite their strengths, both platforms have limitations. Sendinblue is a bit too basic when it comes to advanced features like in-depth reporting or customizations for transactional emails. Moosend, although affordable, falls short when it comes to the range of integrations and the flexibility offered by more established tools. So, after testing both Sendinblue and Moosend, I can say they both offer solid services for transactional emails, but they're not perfect. If you're truly looking for a better alternative, I'd recommend trying out Better Alternative. I've personally tested it, and it offers more reliability, better performance, and a host of features tailored for businesses that need more advanced transactional email capabilities. If you want a better solution for transactional emails, head over to the first link in the description to take advantage of their exclusive free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. In the end, both Sendinblue and Moosend are decent choices, but if you want to go a step further, I recommend exploring Better Alternative.